Basketball is a game played between two teams of 5 players in which goals are scored by throwing a ball through a knitted hoop fixed above each end of the court. In basketball, there is a dribbling or dribble. Dribbling is a fundamental skill in which a player uses one hand to continuously bounce the ball on the court. Dribbling has 5 types. First is the high bounce. High bounce dribble is used when you are trying to move the ball up the court very quickly. The second one is a change of pace. Change of pace dribble is used to cause your defender to lose his balance as you move the ball forward with a high dribble. Third is crossover. Crossover dribble is making a strong attempt to prevent from going right or left. Fourth is between the legs. Between the legs dribble is used to go past a defender who is overplaying you. And lastly, the behind the back dribble. If you want to change directions while keeping a good view of the entire court, a behind the back dribble can be effective. If there is a dribbling in basketball, of course, there is also a passing. Passing is the deliberate attempt to move a live ball between two teammates. Passing also have a different types. Basic variations. First is chest pass. Chest pass is thrown by gripping the ball on the sides with the thumbs directly behind the ball. Second is bounce pass. Bounce pass is thrown with the same motion, however, it is aimed at the floor. The third one is overhead pass. Overhead pass, bring the ball directly above your forehead with both hands on the side of the ball and follow through. Lastly, the wrap-around pass. Step around the defense with your non-pivot foot. Pass the ball with one hand. In passing, if there is a basic variation, there is advanced variations also. So the advanced variations are baseball pass. Baseball pass is a one-handed pass that uses the same motion as a baseball throw. Second one is dribble pass. Dribble pass is used to quickly pass the ball with one hand off of the dribble. Next is behind the back pass. Behind the back pass is when you wrap the ball around your back to throw the ball. And lastly, the pick and roll pass. This is a pass that is used when the defenders double team or switch on the pick and roll. Also in basketball, there is shooting. Shooting is the most important skill in basketball. First is layup. Layup is the most basic shot type in basketball. Layups utilize the backboard by bouncing off of it before going into the net. The second one is jump shots. Jump shot is the shooter will jump into the air as they release the ball from his hands. The third one is hook shots. Hook shot is an overhand shot typically made with one hand. Can be made while the shooter is facing the net directly or at a sideways angle. Fourth is bank shots. The ball bounces off the backboard before going into the net. And lastly, the free throw. Free throw is a type of shot in basketball that occurs after a foul is called. When someone commits a foul, a player on the opposing team is given free throws which they take from the free throws line. In basketball, also there is guarding. Guarding is the act of legally placing the body in the path of an offensive opponent. Guarding also have different types. The first one is point guard. Point guard tend to be good ball handlers using fancy dribbling moves to weave through the defense. The second one is shooting guard. Shooting guard excel at shot making and getting themselves open for a pass. And lastly, the off guard. Off guard is another term for the shooting guard on a basketball team. And the last but not the least, basketball has pivoting also. Pivoting has 2 types, reverse pivot and forward pivot. Reverse pivot, the player pivots backward. For example, let's say the left foot is the pivot foot. Pivoting is when a player stands still and steps with one foot. The main objective of basketball is to make a goal and score points. A goal is made by shooting the ball through the basket or hoop. The goalpost or basket for a team is in the opponent's court.